Welcome back, everybody. Tom and Richard on the sofa. One of the things, Richard, you talk about a lot is the idea that these principles, these algorithms, these thought processes get stronger over time, which is going to be a relief to people watching because most things don't. So what's that all about and why does it work?
Yeah, biggest thing that people can get watching this now, they'll get that voice in their head, which again we call in the script, it's all negative, but it's going to be saying, yeah, well, I've done other stuff like this and it didn't last. And a lot of the stuff out there, it's not lasting. We've got people that did our program 7 years ago that say, and it's not just one or two, it's a lot of them that saying it's actually stronger now than when I did it 7 years ago. You do not hear that, Tom, out there. With other stuff. What happens is, you normally leave on the Friday, you do a course or something, you get this information on, you're on a high, you're going rah, 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 it doesn't last. Yeah. And then basically, they just plummet down. What's different with what we're doing is that it doesn't need you to be happy to work. So much stuff around personal development is about being happy and being positive. I've said it before, I'll say it again. We've got to be okay with not being okay. And the system that we've got, where it's so brilliant, is whether you're happy or you're not happy, it's still working. Because what gets people most of the time, it's a civil war in the head. It's a killer. It just drains you dry. You could just sit on a couch all day not doing nothing and have this civil war and just feel exhausted. And loads of people watching this now, listening to this, will relate to that. You've got this civil war going here because what you've got going on in your head, Tom, you've got the real you. Yeah. This is everything that's good, and you've got the script, everything that's crap. It's saying everything's crap in it. So this is going on at you all the time. And it's saying, well, you should be doing this. And you should have done that. You're saying, yeah, but I'm doing this. Yeah, but look what you did in the past. And all the time. What happens after our program and understanding our message is, if you're ever not feeling good, which you would never choose, you would always choose to feel good, it's the script. So when people are not feeling good, they're in the script. So that's how it reinforces itself. You're going to be one or two things. You're either going to be feeling good, which means you're choosing, or you're not going to be feeling good. It's in the script. But you know what it is. If you're not feeling good for the first time, you imagine when someone, Tom, they get this awareness and they realise, that's my script. That's not me. That's my script. It's okay. So the big thing that takes us out is a civil war. I shouldn't be feeling like this. There's nothing wrong with anyone watching this program now. It's just that they may have a crap script that until hearing this, what we're putting out together, Tom, they may have thought it was who they were. That's how it gets stronger with time. It's not realistic to want to be happy and positive all the time. It's what we would choose. So if we're not feeling happy and positive, it's the script. That's how this message reinforces itself.
So it really does get stronger over time. That's incredible. Thanks very much for that. And I suppose you're saying that it's okay to be in the script.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. There's no need to fight it. Look, in the Second World War in this country, in the UK, the Germans were dropping bombs on us. And I think, people must have been pretty scared, pretty depressed. They weren't going to the doctors because it was okay to feel like that then.
Incredible stuff. Thanks very much. That's talking about the idea of getting stronger over time.